Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easy guide for first-time users. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open DeepSeek AI app on your phone. If you're new, you'll need to create an account. You can check my other video to sign up and create a DeepSeek account. You see a chat window where you can type your queries along with options to customize your experience. Here you'll have to simply type a question or command in the chat box. Whether it's summarizing a document, generating ideas, or answering questions, DeepSeek AI is ready to help. Similarly, if you click on the plus icon, you can attach pictures and documents and get the help you need. Now just below the text box, you can see DeepThink R1 option. In order to activate it, you just have to enter the prompt and tap on the DeepThink R1 option. And that's it, you're now ready to make the most of DeepSeek AI Assistant. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.